Monifinex Global Limited, being tied up with most well-implemented ICOs and top exchanges, is able to generate ROI as per investments. The team under CTO, Mr. Alex Gray, has developed an artificial intelligence bot. This bot is capable of reading, analyzing, opening and closing trades every 0.8 seconds. This is the first artificial intelligence with the capabilities as such. That's not it. The bot also reads graphs and monitors slight changes in it, and trades accordingly. It is well versed with both spot and margin trading, taking complete advantage of the leverage provided. Join hands now, and secure your financial situation. Live the life you always wanted. Make things happen. If you can dream it, you can do it. Register on www.monifinex.com.